When building a shipping container house, it is possible to conceal the identity of the building blocks the house is built from. In this video, we bring to you an amazing family home you won't believe is built using shipping containers located in the Czech Republic. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. This container home stands in a beautiful upcountry setting surrounded by silence and a forest. This family house consists of 5 shipping containers arranged in one row on a rectangular floor plan. And the big portion of the 5th container is cut out to create a covered outdoor terrace on the southern elevation. The containers are elevated off the ground, sitting on a big concrete foundation with thermal and hydro insulation. The containers were fabricated off-site and were cut out to create adequate fenestrations for windows and door openings. A timber-framed roof was built on top of the containers to give the house a more conventional look. In addition, the roof helps to keep the interior spaces cool from hot weather and to also protect the containers from the elements. The house was insulated both inside and out. All container walls and the ceiling were framed out and insulated using spray foam insulation, then lined with plasterboard throughout, ready for internal fittings and finishes. To enhance thermal comfort of the house, the containers were also insulated on the outside using very thick polystyrene blocks. To protect the polystyrene insulation, high-quality stucco was applied on top and finished with quality render with paint. Apart from the climatic considerations, the external wall render finish and the conventional tiled roof gives aesthetic appeal and design flair to the house. The completed house, as viewed from the street, is almost impossible to tell this modern family home is a shipping container house. A few concrete steps down the slope connects the house with the paved frontage. The main entrance door opens into a big open-plan living space. The living room is a large and airy space fitted with comfortable couches for relaxing and family entertainment. The living room has an imposing, well-designed wooden fireplace and it keeps the house warm during cold weather. The living room is joined with a bright open kitchen fitted with modern appliances, lots of storage and adequate kitchen counter space that accommodates a breakfast bar. The kitchen sink sits in front of a large glass window which lights up the sink space with a beautiful framed out view of the neighborhood. Next to the kitchen is a dining space nicely furnished with a sizable dining table big enough for an average family size. The dining space is fitted with an overhang beautiful chandelier to define the dining area. On the inside, it is not recognizable that this is a shipping container building. The walls are all insulated and plastered throughout. Apart from the connecting false timber beams where the 2 containers join, it is almost impossible to tell this is a shipping container house. The children's bedroom is beautifully decorated and it features a comfortable bed, a working area, and a big space to store children's bicycles. A good-sized window floods the bedroom space with natural light, framing out a beautiful view of the lush surroundings. The house has a roomy master bedroom, which features a comfy bed, a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, storage cubicles, a modern wash-hand basin, a toilet, and an exposed bathtub. The home is fitted with high-performance windows for maximum daylighting. The ample daylight makes the space feel brighter and spacious. The house interior has wooden accents in selected areas and on the selected pieces of furniture. The house is finished with hardwood floors throughout, which adds a touch of elegance and a bit of warmth to the indoors. The house has a classic hipped roof which enables it to comfortably fit into the neighborhood with the existing buildings without any problem. On the southern facade, the fifth container is cut out to create a covered terrace which pleasantly breaks the monotony of the almost square floor plan. Thanks to the roof overlap on the container ceiling, the space above the containers is covered and habitable even in bad weather. The terrace complements the outdoor kitchen, ideal for entertaining and outdoor family activities. The green landscaping and the trees around the building helps to merge building into its leafy surroundings. We love the overall finishes on the house, both inside and out. Which part of this amazing container building appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.